Should pop-up drink stands pay for social media advertising? Yes, in most cases a pop-up drink stand should set aside a small budget for social media ads because organic posts alone rarely reach enough new customers fast enough to make a seasonal or short-term stand profitable. Think of your drink stand like a lemonade stand that only pops up for a weekend or a season, so you do not have months and months to slowly build a following the free way. Paid ads on platforms like Instagram or Facebook let you target people within a few miles of your actual location, which is huge because a stranger who lives 10 minutes away is way more likely to swing by than someone across the country liking your photo. A trick most small stand owners never think about is using what is called a radius boost, where you spend a tiny amount, sometimes as little as $5 a day, but only aim it at phones physically near your stand during your open hours. This turns your ad spend into something closer to a digital sandwich board than a broad marketing campaign. Another lesser-known move is running ads that promote a specific flavor drop instead of the whole stand, because specific and limited items create urgency and get way more clicks than a generic "here we are" post. One big caution is not tracking where your customers actually come from, so always ask new faces how they heard about you and jot it down. Otherwise, you are just guessing where your money is working. Another key point is that ads targeting too wide of an audience waste your budget fast, so keep your radius tight and your times limited to when the stand is actually open. Lastly, watch out for boosting posts randomly instead of running real targeted ads, since boosted posts often just reach your existing followers again instead of new local customers, so always use the actual Ads Manager tool for real targeting options. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below,